Hello everyone! In this lesson we are going to continue Turkish language Camp A1, but we are going to talk about where are you from and nationalities in Turkish language. So let's start together. In Turkish language we say nerelisin or nerelisiniz to ask where are you from? Where do you belong to? Nerelisin is singular and informal. But if you say nerelisiniz, it is plural and formal. To answer, we add the suffix l, li, lu, lü to the country name according to vowel harmony rule. If the last vowel of the country or city is a or ı, you will add l. For example, Malezyalı, Malezyalı. If the last vowel of the country or a city is e or i, you should add li. For example, Arjantinli, Arjantinli. If the last vowel of the country or a city is o or u, you should add lu. For example, Perulu, Perulu. If the last vowel of the country or a city is ö or ü, you should add lü. Ürdünlü, Ürdünlü. Malezyalı means from Malaysia. Arjantinli means from Argentina. Perulu means from Peru. Ürdünlü means from Jordan. Nerelisin or nerelisiniz? Where are you from? Adım Max. Almanyalıyım. Mimarım. My name is Max. I'm from Germany. I am an architect. So here, Almanya means Germany. Almanyalı means from Germany. But if he says Almanyalıyım, he means I'm from Germany. Mimar means architect. If you say mimarım, it means I am an architect. Adım Selin. Türkiye'liyim. Hemşireyim. My name is Selin. I'm from Turkey. I am a nurse. Hemşire is nurse. Bu Sofia. O İspanyalı. O öğretmen. This is Sofia. She is from Spain. İspanya, Spain. İspanyalı from Spain. O öğretmen. She is a teacher. Öğretmen is teacher. Bu Kostas. O Yunanistanlı. O balıkçı. This is Kostas. Or this is Costa. For Greeks will understand. He is from Greece. Yunanistan is Greece. Yunanistanlı from Greece. He is a fisherman. Balıkçı is fisherman. So let's look at the table. Country, nationality, and language. In Turkish, there is a beautiful mathematical harmony between nationalities and the language spoken. Once you know the nationality, you can easily find the language by adding suffix. Let's see the table. Ülke means country. Milliyet means nationality. Dil means language. So, Türkiye, nationality is Türk. Dil, language is Türkçe. Rusya, Russia, nationality is Rus. Language, dil is Rusça. Jordan, which is Ürdün in Turkish, nationality is Arab. Language, dil is Arapça. Yunanistan, Greece. Milliyet, Yunan. Dil, Yunanca. To make a language name, take the nationality and add ca, ce, or ça, çe. If the nationality ends with these letters, be careful. Alman, German. Almanca is German language. Türk, Turkish. Türkçe, Turkish language. Rus, Russian. Rusça, Russian language. Max, Alman. Selin, Türk. Sofia, İspanyol. Costa, Yunan. Elena, Rumen. Aino, Fin. Luca, Sırp. Hugo, Fransız. Hiroshi, Japon. Tamara, Gürcü. Alman is German. Türk is Turkish. İspanyol is Spanish. Yunan is Greek. Rumen is Romanian. Fin is Finnish. Sırp is Serbian. Fransız is French. Japon is Japanese. Gürcü is Georgian. Let's look at our dialogue. Meeting at work. İş yerinde tanışma. İş yeri means workplace. There is John and Sofia. Let's see what they are talking about. Merhaba, benim adım Can. Merhaba Can, benim adım Sofia. Tanıştığımıza memnun oldum Sofia. Nerelisin? Ben de memnun oldum. Ben İtalyalıyım. İzmir'de çalışıyorum. Gerçekten mi? Ben de İzmirliyim. Nerede çalışıyorsun? ABC firmasında mimarım. Sen ne yapıyorsun? Ne güzel. Ben de DEF firmasında mühendisim. Çok iyi. Görüşmek üzere Can. Görüşmek üzere Sofia. İyi çalışmalar. So here, John says, hello, my name is John. Sofia says, hello John, my name is Sofia. And later John says, nice to meet you Sofia, where are you from? Sofia answers, nice to meet you too. I'm from Italy. I work in Izmir. John says, really? Gerçekten mi? I'm from Izmir too. Where are you working? Sofia says, I am an architect in ABC company. What are you doing? Sen ne yapıyorsun? Ne güzel. How beautiful. I am an engineer in DEF company. Sofia says, çok iyi, very good. See you later, John. See you later, Sofia. Have a nice work. In this page, the characters and the context is not related to previous page. First question is, Elisa nereli? Cevap means answer. Elisa İtalyalı. Elisa İtalyalı. Elisa is from Italy. Second question, Elisa nerede çalışıyor? Elisa nerede çalışıyor? Elisa ABC firmasında çalışıyor. Elisa ABC firmasında çalışıyor. Elisa works at company ABC. Melis nereli? Melis nereli? Cevap, Melis İzmirli. Melis İzmirli. Melis is from İzmir. Melis'in mesleği ne? Melis'in mesleği ne? Cevap, Melis ABC firmasında mimar. Melis ABC firmasında mimar. Melis is an architect at company ABC. Melis'in mesleği ne? The question is telling us what is the occupation of Melis. You can take your notes. In next lesson, we are going to talk about what is there, who is there, what is not there, who is not there. Görüşürüz. Hoşça kalın.